Today forms like the end of the 3D office model we've been trying to create for for this tutorial series. And as you can see my screen, this is the result of what you will get after if you had followed the tutorial from the beginning to this point. All right, I want to quickly show you something. So for you to visualize your drawing like this, you go to 3D. After 3D, on your keyboard type VG and set all the walls, ceiling under transparency, change it to 60 degrees. All right, so just click on it and change to 60. All right, 60% transparency, and apply for the doors, for all the what again, you have walls, change to stay windows 60% so that you can be able to see all the building services as they connect. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial series for Revit concerning the office model. So we'll be moving on to an advanced part of the design tutorial, which involves creating families. So we are going to be creating some families. Take for instance, you want to use a particular model for your project. If you can't find it online or anywhere, you can just create it and make it a thing. So those are the things we'll be looking at in subsequent videos, and also how to print and so on. So I want you to, if you like what I'm doing, I want you to like and like my videos, and also share with your colleagues, all right, those having challenge with making use of Revit. And also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out in any of these videos in future. All right, take care, see you in the next tutorial.